In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock Outlook email. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes, ensuring you can receive emails from those important contacts without missing any future communications. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to log in to your Outlook account. Head over to Outlook's website and enter your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy reset option to help you access your account without delay. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your mailbox. Next, let's navigate to Settings. You'll find the Settings icon located at the top right corner of the page. It looks like a small gear. Clicking on this will open a side panel that provides quick settings options. However, for today's task, we need to delve a bit deeper. Choose the option at the bottom that says, View All Outlook Settings. With the full settings menu open, you'll see a number of categories. Our focus is on the Mail option, which should be listed prominently. Go ahead and click on Mail. Now, this section contains a variety of settings related to how you send, receive, and organize your emails. Once you're in the Mail settings, look for the Junk Email tab. Clicking here will open up your spam filters and any blocked addresses. It's worth noting that managing your junk mail settings effectively can considerably reduce the number of unwanted emails in your inbox and ensure that important emails are not accidentally labeled as spam. Under the Junk Email tab, you'll see options related to safe senders and domains. This is where Outlook checks for addresses or domains that you trust enough not to mark their emails as junk. It's a good idea to periodically review this list to ensure it's up to date, especially if you've recently changed how you interact with certain contacts. Now, let's get to the action point. Unblocking specific addresses. In the Safe Senders and Domains section, identify the email address or domain that you wish to unblock. These might be previously blocked mistakenly, or maybe contacts that have changed their domain. Once you've selected the right entry, look for the Remove button. Clicking this will immediately unblock the address, allowing emails from this sender to arrive directly in your inbox, rather than being diverted to the junk mail folder. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now successfully unblocked an email address in Outlook, ensuring that important messages from your designated senders arrive without being misrouted. Remember, staying on top of your junk email settings is key to maintaining an organized and efficient email experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.